So this is it. We've used laboratory interface to acquire our temperature calibration data automatically. We've made our calibration certificate template, and now we're going to use certificate builder to perform calculations and create our calibration certificate. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is open one of our data files, and if you recall, when you perform a calibration test, each channel's data is saved to a single individual file bearing the data block name and the channel name. So there's our result summary showing the set pointer and values recorded. And we set up this test to enable us to perform a calibration calculation based on Callendar van Dusen's equation. So that generates a series of coefficients R naught, A, B, C and D that you can use to convert resistance values into temperature. Normally we have two zero values, a negative value and two positive values. And the equation that you use to convert resistance into temperature is shown there. So to start our calculation, again made simple for you, you pick up and drag and drop the temperatures into their relevant boxes. So there we are, we're dragging those in, release, drop. Now you can type them manually should you wish, but Caliso Temps is there to make life easy for you. Drag, drop, drag and drop. So there's your data picked from the test. One more going in. It only remains to click the calculate button and the Callendar van Dusen coefficients for that calibration will be calculated. And there they are in the boxes. It's now starting to get really good. So what we're going to do is open up the template that we created in the previous demonstration video, and you can use the file menu to select it, or if you look to the other side of it, the most recently used templates, the last 6 of them, will be saved for you there, making life even easier. So there's the template, there's a print preview of it, and we'll go to the edit feature, because I want to make a little change to this template because I deliberately left off the Callendar van Dusen coefficient boxes. So we'll put those on now. This will act as a reminder of how it's done. So we've made a static text box for the label, and we've also now going to put a data aware box, which we're going to link to the A coefficient of the Callendar van Dusen equation. We'll line those up there, and then I'll only do A for the time being, but you would obviously use the same method to produce B, C and R0. So a static box, Callendar van Dusen A, and a data aware box which will be picked up from the calculation that we've just performed. We'll save that template and then click the export button, which will place that data directly into the certificate template. We'll then take a look using the print preview, and there's our certificate made. We can then export this as a PDF or into a Word document and issue it to the customer. That concludes this presentation on Caliso Temps. We hope you've enjoyed it.